case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the Stuparich v.Harbor Furniture Manufacturing Inc. case, two sisters, Anne Stuparich and Candy Tuttleton, sought to dissolve their family-owned corporation, Harbor Furniture Manufacturing, claiming their rights and interests were not being protected. Despite receiving dividends, the sisters had no say in the company's management. The lower court ruled in favor of the corporation, stating that the sisters did not have a right to dissolve it. The sisters appealed, arguing that a defective meeting notice had not been addressed. The court required the sisters to raise a triable issue of fact about their rights to dissolve the corporation, but ultimately ruled in favor of the corporation. The court upheld the lower court's judgment and denied the sisters' petition for review, finding that the distribution of voting shares was lawful and that the sisters had not raised a valid reason for dissolution. The court further found that safety valve provisions were not mandatory, and there was no obligation to buy out minority shares to avoid dissolution.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.